Okay. If you used to watch this channel back, like, when it just literally first started, I did a Gemini Jets versus Daron airplanes video. Now, I didn't have Gemini Jet, but now I do. Right there. Oh, and do not mind JetBlue chasing Spear in the background. I don't know why I did that, though. But anyways, this is part 2 of Daron versus Gemini. Yes. I had to do it no matter what. The old one was bad. Alrighty. Let's get straight into the point. Let me get my Nerf dart. Okay. First, on landing gear, I want to do this one first. Sorry for the camera shake. I am using a camera stand they use in the movies. I'm not even kidding. Okay, so here's my Southwest 737 Part 1 Daron airplanes. Sorry, my camera. Okay, there we go. Gear. Front gear is basically just plastic, little detailed, and we can't see the back, but basically they're just rolly wheels. Don't know why. Don't mind the talking in the background too. Alrighty. Now in landing gear with, we also can't see Gemini jets, but front landing gear, epic, and then let me try to see the landing gear on this one. Oh, too dark. So Gemini Jets wins this one, the first round, because I have to, because more detailed. Now, I think this might be too early in, but we're gonna do cost. Alrighty. Daron, you can collect these pretty much any time, and that's what I like. You can collect these, they only cost 10 or below, and that is the nice part about them. However, so I got this one actually for my 10th birthday, so I kind of actually do not know how much this cost, but probably 40 or something, because I have a United 737 MAX 8. This is also like, I think this is the 737-700. But that one costed like 40 something. Okay. So Daron has to win this one because they are so lower. Paint schemes. Both are so good. However, Gemini Jets has more variety of liveries, including like the Freedom One, Lone Star, One World liveries, and other stuff like that. I don't know much of these liveries. I'm just using a Southwest one though. Then the Daron doesn't have much of a variety of liveries, and only I think Southwest is the only airline that Daron has made that has a second livery, the Canyon Blue livery. And I don't have that one, sadly, so yeah. So Gemini Jets has to awfully win this one, cause yeah. But still, they both do a good job making it. And then, Gemini Jets has... Fun fact, actually, I found this on a video. They are 3D printed, essentially. So that's why the paint never comes off and, like, it's so good. Essentially. I don't know. It might be wrong. But, yeah. Okay. Scaling. Gemini Jets. I just want to say one thing. Wait, did I say Gemini Jets? I mean Daron planes. Yeah, I did. Oh, sorry for the camera shake. Camera shake again. But scaling 0 out of 10. Not even kidding. This plane is bigger than Airbus A380. Part 1 livery. Why? Gemini Jets, you already won this. You win this, boy. Alrighty. And finally, fragility. Both are a little fragile. Well, except for Gemini Jets, they're extremely fragile. Like, literally. Gemini Jets, during UPS shipping, a single speed bump. Not even kidding. So, it's a tie on this one. And remember, like I said in the last video, Daron planes are toys and Gemini Jets are collecting. Well, I guess we can guarantee that both are good companies. However, if y'all complain about Daron not being realistic, it's a toy. One time I found a video that was doing this. Oh, I guess we don't need that anymore. But, like, it was talking about, now, I'm not going to say the channel name because I don't want to make them jealous or anything, but, like, I don't know. Someone was a little off, but then they called Daron lazy for having stickers on their aircraft. And to me, and to any fan of aviation, that is kind of offensive. I'm not even kidding. So, yeah. That's pretty much the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and if you want to see more Daron Airport updates, I will be starting to do that. And we are getting started on my new Gemini Jet Airport, and it's not too late to plop a suggestion down in the comments section. So remember, do that, because yes, and just tell me how Gemini Jets and Daron's doing in the chat. Bye.